What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to install NEXA Wallet on your Windows PC. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video step by step I will show you how to install and configure the NEXA Wallet inside your Windows PC. So for the downloading the NEXA Wallet, open up a new tab and type nexa.org, then hit enter. Once you are there, simply scroll down. Here is the wallet. You can see guys, you can get the exchanges, Discord, Telegram, and the wallet. Simply click on the wallet. Again, coming back to this window, here is the Windows, macOS, and Linux. So simply click on Windows. Now you can see guys, as I've already downloaded, so simply I don't want to download it again. I will click on the cancel. I will go to the download folder. Now click on the download. Here is the programs. Here is the NEXA Wallet. Double click on that to launch the installation. Now again click yes. Click on the next. You can specify the folder where you want to install the NEXA Wallet, then click on the next. Now again click on install. Now wait for it until it should be installed on your Windows PC. Once this is completed, click on next. Here check this box and click on finish. Here is guys the NEXA Wallet. It is currently loading, so simply click on this option. Now guys, this is the NEXA Wallet. You can see this is the available NEXA. This is the panning. You can see the total. Click on the overview, or you can click on the send option. Here if you want to send the NEXA coin to any other wallet, so simply here enter the NEXA address, private label, public label, then here you have to enter the amount. Click on the send. Guys, if you want to receive officially, if you want to mine NEXA in your Windows PC, you have to install the NEXA Wallet inside your Windows PC. Because while mining the NEXA coin inside your Windows PC or macOS, you will be required to enter the NEXA wallet address. So simply if you want to enter this, click on the receive. Here you have to enter the label and amount. Click on the message. You can request a payment. Here simply click on request payment. There you will be able to get the NEXA wallet address. This is the NEXA wallet address that you will be able to see. That simply copy this. If you want to mine the NEXA coin inside your PC, you can click on the copy address. You can get the URL also from here. So guys, there is the transaction details history that you can check it from here. There are some settings. You can encrypt the wallet, and there are these options that you can make changes to the NEXA wallet. So guys, this is the way how you can install the NEXA wallet inside your Windows PC. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.